Yep. Black Girl is now live. So click underneath and go over. We have different colors, different sizes, crew necks, sweatshirts, get rich, stay rich, everything positive. You already know how we do. So go ahead, check out Black Girl Stocks official merch.
Foxtail from the D.
Okay, are we live? Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Foxtail Digital coming to you again with Black Girl Stocks. And this is our Sunday live chat where we come talk about a few stocks, nothing too much. But I'm gonna let a few of you guys, hey, what's up Sharon? What's up Sun? Hey Nikki. Oh, I wanna say, it says Nicole, but I feel like you might be called Nikki. I don't wanna get too personal though. You guys just give me 1 second so I can post this link on social media. Just give me 1 second, okay? 2 seconds. All right, so I got Instagram, boom. I got Facebook, boom. Okay, and then let me get Twitter. Boom. All right, so we have everything. Everybody, hey everybody, happy Sunday. I hope everybody has had a great productive trading week. What's up? Hey Beth. What's up? Yep. What's up Daniel? Peaceful Mind. All right, so I'm gonna let a few more people come in and we're gonna go ahead and get started with a recap of last week's trades. So let me just, hold on. Let me mute that. And then while you guys are here, while we're waiting on more people to join the room, make sure that you click that thumbs up button for me. It really helps the channel. Also, make sure that you leave a comment, just either a thumbs up, a happy face, smiley face, kissy face, whatever. All right, so the first stock that we were looking at last week was RCL. So when we were looking at it, it was trading for $86.04, but it has dropped to $82.33. Now, all the stocks that we were looking at last week, I was pretty bullish on them, but you know, sometimes, hey, you get into a trade a little bit early. So now it's looking, because we were looking at it on, what, the 4th? So around here, boom, little drop, but she's on her way back up. And then you're also seeing crossovers with your MACD and then possibly soon the exponential moving averages. Something even better would be if this price crossed above the 50-day moving average. That would be very bullish. So that's that on that. Next one is Upwork. So when we were looking at this, it was 58.45. It dropped to 57.83. So it's kind of looking like the same setup as the last stock. Last week, may have been just overall a bad week, but we have had some reversal from that, as well as a similar look for the MACD, exponential moving averages, and actually the price just started to trade above the 50-day moving average, so that's good for that too. And then lastly, BWXT. All right, so when we were looking at this, it was 58.32, and now it is 58.39. Is that right? No, 58.52, and it dropped to 58.39. Okay, so like I said, this is literally looking the same overall as the last two stocks that we looked at. May have been a little bit early for an entry point, but as far as entry, we always want to see a MACD crossover, EMA crossover, or a price crossover with your moving averages. So that's always going to be good entry signals. You can use the RSI indicator, but be careful with that, because if you are in a downtrend, you know, hey, it could stay oversold for a while. So just keep that in mind. Okay, so you guys already know what we do. We're gonna have the stocks right here, and in the comments I want you to leave the ticker symbol, whether you're trying to day trade it or swing trade it, and why. So what is the market catalyst, so we can look at this stock. All right, so I'm gonna get into the first one this week, and it is gonna be TV. So let me put that on here. Change that in here. Whoop. Bet. And let me put it right here. Gotta have it all over the board. Thank you, Beth. All right, so I'm gonna pin this for you guys. Okay, so this is TV, and the reason why I picked this stock, it has a lot of bullish signals. Just looking at some of the fundamentals, it's pretty good. You know, it has a decent EPS, and the what the hell? The PE ratio isn't too high. So it's not too, it does say a little overvalued here, but I don't really pay attention to that. 19 is a pretty good PE ratio. So for that, you know, it looks pretty good, and they don't mention anything about earnings for that. So that's cool, but that's just a little look at that. So let's go into this stock. Now this is the meat and potatoes of what I really chose this stock for. So overall, you'll see here, this is on our 180-day chart, and it is in an overall uptrend with good overbought and oversold patterns. Now, what I really liked about this stock is that it has recently become oversold, and I have this little thing in here. It gives me little buy signals on the RSI, so that was one signal for me. Also, I would be waiting for a crossover with this MACD pattern here, and also this exponential moving average. So right on here. Good RSI. Oh, okay. Nice. Okay, so one thing that was special about this, let's move into a 5-day chart. So one thing that was special about this is what's known as a golden crossover. So I don't know if you guys have heard about that, but it's really just a crossover on your moving averages. Dang, do I even have it set up? Oh no. My bad, you guys, hold on. I didn't have it set up right for live. Shoot. Brief intermission, hold on. So basically, I'm just gonna explain it while I'm adding it. So you wanna use two moving averages. I use the simple moving averages, and you're gonna have a short and a long. So for this one, I used 50, okay, this is already that, 50 for my short and 100 for the long. I know this is getting a little winded, but I wasn't expecting to need to do this live. Okay. So yeah, you see here, the blue is our longer time frame, so that's the 100, and then the white is our 50. So last week on the 9th, we literally just had a price crossover as well as a moving average crossover with our short and our long. So that's a really bullish signal for this. So in the short term, it looks like it is in a downtrend, but if you back up a little bit after seeing this, it looks like it might continue on that overall uptrend. So that's kind of what I thought for that. This is TV, Grupo Televisa. Okay, yes, a little foreign. All right. So that's that on that. Girl. Okay. All right, so let's go on to the next one. Fried Chicken 892 said I need to make money this week. I know that's right. What's up, Donnie? All right, so let's get into, I hit like twice. Thank you, Sharon. So let's get into it. This is from LM Charity, and this is BDGR. So let's change that over here. Okay. And over here, I mean, this is very much so a penny stock. The only thing I can say is it looks like you have a crossover with your EMA lines here, so it could be a brief price increase with that, and then as well as your MACD indicator. RSI looks pretty low. But yeah, this is, I mean, it's been trading under both moving averages, so it's been in a downtrend for a while. It's trading for cents, so I don't know, but yeah, I don't really have a lot for that one. Okay. Do you run options on leverage ETFs? Thank you so much for the super chat, the MG44563. I haven't yet, but I have a list on my Webull watch list of ETFs, so I might get into it next week, but for the most part, I've been trading some of the more popular stocks like Apple, Boeing, and stuff like that. I haven't done Tesla yet, but yeah, I've been not paper trading, but I've been day trading those, and it's really been beneficial for me. Okay, let's get into the next one. Anxiety. I do have anxiety. Okay. So this is from Peggy. XOM would be a good swing trade. ER coming up also. Price upgrade. La 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 la. Okay, so let's look at this one. So this is from Peggy. Let's do XOM. Let's just try that out. Let's see what she's talking about. Oops, I wanted that capitalized. Okay, XOM. Okay, it looks like we've looked at this before because we have some price levels on here. Let me see. I'm kind of trying to get this off, but that's okay. All right, so this stock looks pretty cool. Thank you so much for this suggestion, Peggy, but it's been in an uptrend since at least May. So late May, it's been great. Good overbought, oversold patterns. Now it looks like just recently on around June 30th, my birthday, okay, hey, it kind of started to drop off a little bit, but it definitely looks like it's not even trying, it's definitely making a comeback. Look here at the MACD indicator. Boom, we have a crossover right there. And then also, it's looking kind of tight. Hold on, let me zoom out. It's looking kind of tight, but we definitely, it looks EMA lines, and then also with our moving averages. So we'll I will wait and see on that one. So our the white one is our short term. So it looks like it just kind of crossed below the longer term, but let's just wait and see with that one. But as far as the MACD, the RSI, and the EMA lines, that's giving me great signals. So good trade signals for that. It looks pretty good. Thank you, Peggy. What's up, Ivory? Oops, I hit the mic. Make sure you guys click that thumbs up for me. All right, so let me get into the next stock that I want to talk about. Let's keep it moving. And this is going to be EBIX. Oops. Bet your bottom dollar. Change it right here, and then let me change it right here too. Hold on. Somebody, thank you, Ryan. Happy birthday. I had a good birthday this year. The best thing I got for my birthday this year is knowledge. Okay, so this, now keep an open mind with this one. I know it looks like it hasn't moved too much, but there's definitely money to be made here. So the reason why I picked this stock, one, beautiful RSI overbought, oversold patterns, is giving me Texas Giant roller coaster vibes. I'm really liking that. You see right here, what is this, starting on around June 25th, kind of hit a high point there and it started to sell off, which is fine. But you'll see here, just recently, last week, it kind of started to hit a price turn. So it looks like it's on its way back up. Just looking at the MACD indicator, it just had a crossover on, what is this, Friday, between Thursday and Friday. RSI is looking good. So for this, if I was going to do something with this, I would do a bullish play. So if you do options, you can do a long call, or you can do a put debit spread if you wanted to collect. Now this is, did I write this down? Okay, I did. You can do like a long call, a call debit spread, or a put credit spread. Now, I might make a video about this later on, but the way that I decide whether I'm going to do, like if, for instance, if it's bullish, deciding whether or not I'm going to do a play that's going to collect premium or if I want to pay for it, it just depends on the implied volatility for the strike price that I'm looking at. And just for an example, I'll go here. Let's say if I was going to get an option contract like July 16th. And right now it's trading at 32, so I get something around here. Okay. $3.20. Now, looking over here, oh, heck no, girl. Look at this implied volatility, 80, what is this, 89%? Too high, honey. So for something like that, I would definitely do a play that would collect premium. That's just what I've been doing. It helps me. You know, it is what it is. And then you also want high volume, high open interest. But that's neither here nor there. So that's pretty much all I have for that particular stock. This is EBIX. And whoa, what just happened there? Okay. I was trying to see how long we've been on. Hold on, you guys. Girl. Okay, 16 minutes, that's it? Okay, so let's get into the next one, you guys. That's for reopening trade. Okay, so this is from Ryan, and this is SBUX, so let's look at that. Make sure you guys click that thumbs up for your girl, okay? Oh snap! I forgot to say that too. I didn't put up a community post or anything about this, but literally, I think it was yesterday or this morning, we just hit 90,000 subscribers. I just hit 90,000 subscribers on YouTube. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but that's freaking huge to me. I was excited when I hit 5,000. So to go from 5,000 to 90 is crazy. So we just waiting for that 100K, okay? All right, so let's get into it. What is this? SBUX. Oh, I put this wrong on here. My bad. Why didn't y'all tell me? Oh, that's because I'm not reading the comments, huh? Thank you, Shiva. Okay, so, oh, who is this? Ryan, you asked for this? Yes, Ryan, I like this. Okay, first of all, let's just keep looking at it from far out, because that's what I like. Far out, honey, trippy trip. It's been in an uptrend for a while. Now, don't get too afraid of this high price. I know a lot of you guys have commented, you know, why are you giving these high price stocks? Because we're trading options. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that stock price. And even if it does have a high option price, let's get into some credit spreads or something. We can make this work. So no excuses. I don't want to hear that. But anyways, it's up. It's in an uptrend. It's definitely trading above. I love that it's trading above our moving averages. That's great. Now, right now, it is in a huge uptrend as far as the slope goes. Now, what I really like is it looks like we just had a little cute crossover with our MACD. And then also what I like is you see the RSI. One, the RSI does have good patterns, but another thing is that it's having higher highs and higher lows too. More so with the higher lows, but that's a great bullish indicator for that. Oh snap, and then as far as our moving averages, we just had a crossover. What is this? This happened on July 2nd. So you see right here, we just had a crossover with our short and long-term moving averages, so that's bullish. So you said for reopening a trade. Oh, I don't know if you're talking about, are you trying to get in right now? Go for it, honey. It looks cute, Ryan. Go for it. It looks great. And then let's just look at the option prices. These options aren't too much. What is this for next week? I'll probably, depends on what you're trying to do, but girl, look at this. It's not even that much, about $100. Get in there, okay? Stop playing. So thank you for that, Ryan. Richard said, let's go. 90K is major. Thank you so much. Okay, yeah. So we just talked about, thank you, Janice. Spreads. I love to spread. Spread the legs, spread the credits, debits, all the spreads. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Kenesha, thank you. What time frame is the chart? Messiah, this time frame is 100. This is the 180-day 4-hour chart. This is really the chart pattern that I use for when I'm doing my swing trades. Now, I have gotten into I have gotten more into doing day trades. And so when I do my day trades, the main charts that I use are going to be the 1 minute and 5 minute time frame at the same time. So I keep both of those screens up. Okay. Yeah, in the money is only $80 for 7/16. Yeah, so that's not bad. Foxtail, you have a special glow today. Stop that. That's because I had a little light. That's those little floodlights in the back. Stop blowing my head up. And I did move the lights a little closer too. So thank you. I'll take the compliment. Okay. CCL, is it time yet? I like the way you asked that. Is it time yet? I freaking like the way you asked that. Let's look at that. Okay, so this is CCL. What is that? Carnival. What is that? Ooh. Is it time? I don't know. Okay, so the reason why is because everything is giving me good signals. The MACD is giving me good signals. The RSI is looking cute. The only thing is the RSI has been oversold for a while. And this is giving me complete downtrend, honey. She's been in a downtrend. Oh, girl, she's been in a downtrend since before my birthday. Since June 10th. Look at that. I wouldn't get into this. Now, this is just me personally. I would not get into this trade until I start to see this price. I need to see this price trading above at least this 50-day moving average. Stop playing with me. And I would like to see the short-term moving average cross above the long-term. Because even though the RSI is looking cute, MACD is looking cute, the chart is just not giving me that. It's really not. So now what you could do, you could do a put for that. Like you can definitely play a downtrend because that's what it's giving. It's giving downtrend, but it could pop up. Let's see, because if you're into support, I would say it does kind of look like we've had some support. What is this, around $24, around 24 range? So, I mean, it just kind of hit that. So that's something that we can look at, and it could use that bounce back up. That's a possibility. So if you're saying, is it time yet? Maybe. Let's just see. Like, I would need to see it bounce up. It would need to at least get to 25 for me to take it serious, honestly, respectfully. So we'll see with that. I want to cruise. And then, I don't know, was this CCLV? I think it was last week or the week before last. They put something in the headlines that they canceled some trips to Australia or something. I don't know, but that could be what that was. No, that wasn't that. I don't know. But anyways, all right, let's get into the next one. This is, hey, what's up, Jeannie? What did you say? I jumped the gun on CCL, but I know it has potential when the cruises come back. It might be next year because it's about to be cold. What, you can go to Jamaica and stuff, but we'll see. Thomas said downtrend. All right, so let's look at SPCE. So let's look at that. That'll be our next one. And then after this, I'm going to go into the last one for me, and then I'll do a couple of more, and then I'll let you guys go because I'm not trying to keep you guys too late. It's a cute little Sunday night. Okay. SPCE. Ooh, that's not it. I don't know. Okay, so this is nice. I like this because overall it has a lot of good movement, but has it reached its peak? And I'll just say this. You see how right here, it's kind of had the similar, boom, it hit that 62, kind of had a little bit of drop down, boom, hit that 62 again. It looks like it's trying to drop. So let's just see. I don't know if you already have this, but I mean, is it going to drop back down all the way to this 13? Is it going to drop back down to 25? We don't know. Now, one thing I will say that looks different from this price drop back in February is the MACD setup. So the MACD had a huge drop, but this, it kind of stabilized around this center line. So that's a good signal. We'll see. Also, another good signal is that our short-term moving average is still trading above the long, and RSI is looking okay. I don't know, she's not really telling me too much. MACD, we'll see. So, and it's kind of something to be, and I haven't looked at anything with the fundamentals on this. Is literally just looking at a stock chart. But that's just what I think about it. So, oh, Kanisha said no, keep us late. I know that's right. You better stop playing. Yo. Okay. Okay. So thank you for that, Jeannie D. Now let me go into my last one, and then I'll let you guys take the floor for the rest of the night. Okay. So this is gonna be IVZ. Say that 5 times fast. Make sure y'all click that thumbs up. How many times I have to tell you? Come on, come on. Yes, sir. Hey, High Moon 214. Why are you depressed? Well, if you do feel depressed, I will say being sad, working out has really helped me if I've ever been sad before. So if you don't feel your best, move that body, okay? And I hope you feel better. I picked this. Oh, okay. Okay, so the reason why I picked this, I'm bearish on this. So even though, now this is IVZ, Investco Ltd, that's cute. Now it has overall been in an uptrend for a while. So since November, it's been given uptrend. Now we just recently had a break below our moving averages. This was back on June 21st, and then we had a big dip with our MACD. It dropped below the center line. So it's kind of starting to give me downtrend vibes. Then looking at how long this RSI has been a little bit over, actually it hasn't been oversold too long, but it's been in the oversold zone since the middle of June. So this is giving me downtrend, okay? Now she just hit don't let that fool you. MACD is looking cute. You see that crossover, the RSI is looking cute, but at the same time, look here. For a while, our resistance on the RSI has been about 53. So I don't know if you guys saw my RSI video, but you're gonna changing your limits with the RSI, it helps to change them on a uptrend versus a downtrend. So as far as a downtrend, 53 is kind of a high point. So I don't know, it's been giving me high point, it's hit that point before, and it's dropped back down to the floor. So for this, I would do more of a bearish move. So if I was gonna do option play, would be a long call or a long put or a put debit spread. I like doing debit spreads, and then also a call credit spread. Yeah. And then also, I will say last week, I think I tried my first play where I sold to open. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that term, but I sold option contract first, and it went pretty well for me. So I really like doing options. Options are so fire. Thomas said, oh, okay, you're not talking to me. Hey, what's up, Allison? Okay, so this is from Donnie. All right, so I'm done with mine, you guys. So like I said, you guys have the flow, okay? This is from Donnie, and this is, let me wait for it to update. Going kind of slow. Okay. CPOP, that's cute. K-pop, C-pop. Okay. That's interesting. Okay, CPOP. Is this must be a new IPO. Because I'm not seeing anything. Okay, this opened on my birthday. That's nice. For this, it looks like it's setting up for an uptrend possibly. So right now it is trading below our exponential moving averages, and then you'll see right here we don't even have our 50-day moving average because it hasn't even been that long. So for me, what did you say? You talking about day trading? Okay, well let's move in then. Let's move in. Yes. Okay, now as far as day trading, it's still giving me downtrend right now, but if you were gonna do something with the day trading, what's the volume on this? 100, hell no. 3,000, I don't know, Donnie, I don't know. Now, as far for me, I like to see a higher volume when I day trade. I like to see at least 1 million or something. But I mean, you could do something with that. So I mean, yeah, it is like I said, it's giving downtrend. It's been dropping all week. So damn, it was $93 when it opened. Well, that's not when it opened. That's last week. Well, I don't know. That's all I have for that one though, Donnie. It's pretty new, so let's see what happens. And as far as day trading, you can, but I would just be careful with it because the volume is kind of low. So I wouldn't want you to get stuck in a trade. It doesn't have options yet. That makes sense. So yeah, just be careful. You really want something that's liquid, okay? Thank you, Sun, for $4.99 super chat. Thank you so much. Okay. So let's do this one. Can someone please guide me? Oh. Walking helps to combat depression. It does, Sharon, it does. No gets better over time. Yeah. Okay. So you bought, you need to sell. Please. Okay, this is from Smiggy. That's an interesting name. So the next one, this is going to be ASTR. All right. And I'll probably do 2 more after this one, and then I'm gonna wrap it up for you guys, okay? And make sure I'm gonna have our top 3 option plays out tomorrow. So I'm gonna try and have it out by tomorrow morning, but it might be tomorrow afternoon. I don't know. Okay. Okay, let me zoom out though. You didn't say if you're trying to day trade or not. So let's go back to our 180. Oh, let's zoom back in. Okay. Okay, so I mean, this is cute. Now, one thing I will say is, when is this? This was on the 9th. It just kind of had a little crossover with our moving averages, so that's a good sign because it was trading below. It was trading below everything before. Ooh. Our RSI indicator, she's giving me something. Now, the only thing is, like I said, we did just have this crossover, so hopefully we'll see if this is a direction change. So, I mean, if I was going to have a price target for this, I would say at least, I would, 24, this is low. I would need to see that at least 124, and that would kind of signal to me that it's on its way back up if you were trading this. So, and then the RSI looks good, the MACD looks good, so let's just kind of see. He retracted it, why? I mean, I already did the review. Okay, so let's get to the next one. Sold to open, yeah. Unless it turns hard this week, you're not going to get that back. Who is that? What is he talking about? I don't know. Okay, let's see. This is from Marissa. Became a subscriber today, and I finally decided to figure out how to do this stuff. 17 videos before I came across yours, and you were the only one that I subbed. Oh, wow, thank you. I can actually understand it. Thank you so much, Marissa. I appreciate that. Thank you. AMA, please. Okay, and somebody just, this is an old super chat. Okay, I'm way behind in the comments. Okay, hold on. Tesla is a long-term buy. Is this live right now? We live, baby. Hello. Wake up. Do I have a Discord? I don't want to give too much away, but I'm actively building a Discord right as we speak, actively, because before I didn't know how to use it and it was a little bit intimidating, but you guys keep asking for it, so it's going to be a Discord. The way I have it set up now, I'm going to have a few different, I guess, areas. The whole Discord is, for the most part, it's all going to be options. That's all I trade. I don't talk about shares, none of that. So it's going to be 100% options. So if you're into that, that's what my Discord is going to be. It's called BGS trading family. So it's called Black Girl Stocks Trading Family. So that's the name of the Discord. So it's on its way, you guys. So thank you. Okay, let's get into another one. If you were looking for a short-term investment with 100,000, what 2 stocks would I invest in? Okay, I know for one, it would probably be is it ADT? If I had $100,000 to put into a stock, I would need a stock that has high dividends. Because I think I made a video and you put like a few 100,000 in a stock, you get $60,000 back a year from that. Hey, you can't beat that. So if you have 100,000 to throw in there, put it in there. Okay. The notification was late. I'm sorry. Wake up, sir. Okay, let's get into one more, you guys. One more, and then I'm gonna let you go. I've never done an option play yet. Ivory. Ivory Winters, if you haven't done an option play, you are missing out. So if you haven't and you're kind of nervous about it, check out my video. It's called Paper Trading Options, and it's just gonna show you how you can actually start practicing with options, just like how we're doing now, just like regular trade. Okay, this doesn't have options, but just like regular trades. So start practicing, do the trades that I'm talking about on our option plays or on this, and just practice until you get comfortable. Okay, last one, you guys. Come on, let's do one. Options for the motherfucking win. I know that's right. See, I'm not cussing too much on this live, okay? I'm trying to keep it cute. So, somebody said best training channel. Okay, stop that. Thank you. Tiblio, I thought you was part of that. That's why I joined. Thought you was part of the group Discord. Oh no, I'm not in their Discord group, but I do use the platform. Like, to a lot of the earnings plays I find from Tiblio. So yeah, I'm not in their Discord. Okay, come on, you guys, give me one more to do. Okay, come on. See, y'all put 2 in here. Look at K, you gonna throw 2 in there. Okay, I'll do 2 more. I'm gonna do Ricky, and then I'm gonna do K, and then we're gonna wrap it up for today. I can't help it. All right, so this is from Ricky. This is PBR. It reminds me of PBS. I used to love PBS. Like, oh, Arthur. Yes. What else was on PBS? Oh, I really like that man who was painting. He passed away. I always forget his name. Bob Ratchet? But oh, I used to sit and just watch that man paint. I would get out of school and I would just, it's something about his voice. It's just like a little bit of blue. Oh, God, I'm sorry, just thinking about it. Okay. So this is from Ricky B. Hi, Ricky. I kind of like having this weekly time frame up. It's kind of familiar to me because I do day trade now. So we might start looking at closer charts. But I'm really liking this one. The only thing, it just kind of fell. When was this? This was last week, maybe on the 2nd. It just started to fall below these moving averages. So I'm not 100% feeling that. Let's zoom out real quick. I'm not liking it. I don't like that. Then look at, okay, the MACD, she looks like she's trying to do something. She's trying to come back. RSI, she looks like she's ready to attack also. So let's wait and see. What did you say? You didn't say what you wanted to do with it. Foxtel is smart and she's looking like a whole meal. Ooh, stop. That's the fog lights in the back, y'all. Stop playing with me. Thank you. Now, okay, so if you want to, I want to wait on this. I want to wait until I see some crossovers, but it looks like this might be a good entry point because look at the MACD. It looks like, I'm thinking of rockets. You know, we just had the 4th of July and I'm just thinking of something that's cooking, it's boiling, and it's boom, ready to pop. But I want to see, you know, something solid. I need, just like in a relationship, I need to see that I can trust you, okay? Can I give you my all? So I need to see these EMA lines crossed. At least I need to see something to let me know that I need to put something in there. So that's that on that. And who was the last one? K? What was the one K was asking for? I don't see it anymore. Ooh. Okay, sorry, Kay. I might have to skip it. Okay. Well, okay, let's get into one more. Oh, you said day trading? Oh, okay. Well, let's zoom back in then. I mean, for a cute little day trade, you can definitely do something cute with that. Because just look at, I like how, okay, so for me, I don't know if you guys watched my day trade video, but I would just kind of see what happened at the market open. So last, like let's just use this for an example. This might be the last one and then I'm gonna let you guys go. Just seeing how it kind of closed over there, kind of dropped after hours. Now this is gonna be our little support and resistance for that. And then I wouldn't get in until, oops. Okay, you see where it kind of starts to do that? Boom, it looks like it kind of started to bounce up from our support in the after hours. So that would be a good entry signal to me. And then, hey, there's also another little trick that I found out with day trading. It's something with the 9 exponential moving average. So you're gonna have a 1-minute chart and a 5-minute chart and just your, I mean, of course your MACD, RSI and all that, but then I would just have a 9 period EMA line and do that with the 1 minute and 5 minutes. So that's kind of something that I learned. But okay, you guys, look. We're gonna wrap it up for tonight, okay? Because what time is it? 6:48. I have a Zoom meeting tonight too. So we're gonna do that. Let's look and see. I'm gonna read this a little bit more. Something for oil. What? Oh no, you got. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm gonna have to wrap it up. I like this old house too. Okay. Okay, this is from Love Is All I Know. I like that name. Can you offer me and others face-to-face Zoom paid lessons? I have cash to invest and need some guidance. Hey, yeah, I do have one-on-one Zoom meetings. So if you, once you click off of this live, just go to my main YouTube page, or if you follow me on Instagram, go to my Instagram page and you'll see, just click on the Zoom meetings. And so I have one-on-one Zoom meetings. That's what I said. I have one tonight at 7:30. So yeah, I have one-on-one Zoom meetings. So we can talk for 15 minutes, 30 minutes. An hour is kind of a long time. So I think 30 minutes is a good cutoff for me. I'm an introvert, so when I talk to people, it drains me of my energy, and it's okay. That's not a bad thing. You just have to know yourself. But anyways, all right, you guys, we're gonna wrap that up for tonight. This is another Sunday live chat. I think it went well. Make sure that you guys are paper trading if you're nervous. We had some people that were nervous, so just make sure that you do that, and it's really going to work out well for you. But make sure that you watch, you know, this video. It's gonna help you learn how to trade stocks. I'm trying to film. This is my first time filming an outro, so I'm filming an outro. Watch this, and it's gonna be great. Okay. All right. Oh, snap.